So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is go to the internet, and you want to go to netflix.com, sign into your account and select a profile. Now, just to prove to you that I am in the UK, I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to go to the top 10 movies in the UK today. Now, the method I'm about to show you will work in almost any other country in the world. Now, this is the important part. We're going to need to pick up a Premium VPN, as free ones no longer work because streaming services constantly block them every day. The Premium VPN I personally use is called Private Internet Access, and you can get it with the link in the description. Private Internet Access is not only good to unblock content on the internet, but it's also good to use every day, as it will encrypt everything you do on the internet and you will be much more secure. And it also means your internet service provider can no longer see what you're doing. So what I need to do now is open up my VPN of choice, which in this case is Private Internet Access, and then we want to select a VPN server we want to browse the internet from. So we're going to click on VPN server, and then you want to find the country that you want to browse Netflix from. So in this case I'm going to use the United States. We also want to select the region that has the least amount of latency, which in this case is US Atlanta at 144 milliseconds. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on the big power button, and that's going to change our IP address from a United Kingdom to the United States. So if I go ahead and refresh the Netflix page, it should refresh from the United Kingdom version to the United States, as you can see. So if I find the top 10 movies again, it should say the top 10 movies in the US today, rather than the United Kingdom. And again, this method will also work on mobile and tablet, and you could also get creative and get it to work on your TV as well. So once you are finished, don't forget to turn off your VPN so you're no longer browsing the internet from that country. And that is all you need to do to watch foreign movies on Netflix from almost any other country. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.